What is event management? Event management refers to an act of planning, coordinating, running, and organizing an event for people, teams, communities, etc. The main aim of the program is to train students in analyzing, marketing, planning, and successfully realize the running an event business. An event manager should have good communication and proficiency skills with the right amount of confidence and courage to carry out events in an efficient manner. Event management requires good creative skills as an event manager, and the person remains in charge of creating various models for events such as wedding setups, conferences, college fests, concerts, etc. There is no scale of job for an event organizing company. It could be from private affair of a party to an event for large number of public. Skills required for event management. Event management requires one to have a constant interaction with stakeholders. A leadership and decision-making skills are essential in this field, as managers will be required to guide their teams in order to fulfill their responsibilities. One should also possess very strong organizational and time management skills that are helpful in order to manage people, vendors, and itinerary. Another skill that comes in handy is enthusiasm for effectiveness. This plays a very important role in keeping the team motivated in order to produce the best results. Although the field is often considered a branch of the PR industry, it has been gaining the market and creating a lot of jobs opportunities for aspirants. We at Laureate Design School under it better than the rest because we teach both management and design layout planning of events. Candidates can also opt for event management course after pursuing advertising, PR, and corporate communication courses. Event management is the application of project management to the creation and development of large-scale events such as festivals, conferences, ceremonies, weddings, formal parties, concerts, or conventions. It involves studying the brand, identifying its target audience, devising the event concept. The process of planning and coordinating the event is usually referred to as event planning, and which can include budgeting, scheduling, site selection, acquiring necessary permits, coordinating transportation and parking, arranging for speakers or entertainers, arranging decor, event security, catering, coordinating with third-party vendors, and emergency plans. This also includes overall event design, brand building, marketing and communication strategy, audiovisual production, script writing, logistics, budgeting, negotiation, and client service. Due to the complexities involved, the extensive body of knowledge is required. On completion, one can work as event manager, marketing manager, business development executive, event accounts manager, event coordinator, wedding planner, celebrity manager, advertising and marketing executive, brand and image specialist, resources purchase manager, consultant, event planner and event coordinator. Course highlights. Principles of event management, event risk management, business communication, financial accounting, event accounting, negotiation skills, consumer behavior and brand management, event advertising, marketing management, cross-cultural management, event production and catering, IT for event management, special event topics, dissertation, project work, human resource management, finance management, communication skills, interdepartment coordination, catering management, event planning, budget planning, logistics, law and other legal aspects, marketing, advertising and promotion, branding and brand promotion, public relations, media management and space planning.